Hi, how are you doing? Feeling fine? Hmm? Hmm. I'll teach you how to make the best sandwich ever. This recipe is from Russia, from Siberia to be exact. About 10 minutes of cooking. Okay. I've got this recipe. This recipe. Okay. It's very easy, and we will need canned meat and bread. I've got some Siberian canned meat, beef. Yes, I've been told it's one of the best meat. So let's try it out. Okay, I'll be right back. Here it is. Some cow. Beef. My helping hand will help me. First of all, you need instruments. So you just like this, and then and so that's all. Okay, now it's open. Let's open it more, like this. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yeah, meat. So now just put it out. Oh. Very handy. On the bottom you've got some. It doesn't go out. So let's do this the right way. You need just to open this. Clever. Just open this and that's all. Just, it doesn't go out. Okay. Special instrument. This one. This is beef pusher. Okay. Beef pusher. Easy. Heating it up is very easy. So we need to heat it up just to. Okay. Now it's working. So too much meat. This is all a big pile of meat. Beef. So just place it like this and wait. That's all. Okay, let's wait. Smells good. Let's slap it on bread. Okay. So just okay. Spread it evenly. And delicious. Never too much meat. For the sake of beauty, we need something like this. Tomatoes. And a final touch. Just a piece of bread. Yeah. That's good. That's a fine meat. Oh, thank you. one of the best sandwiches I've ever eaten. And it's very easy to cook. It's about a couple of dirty dishes and a canned meat, and that's all. So, if you liked it, just leave a comment and leave some suggestions for the next time. Maybe I'll do something more interesting. Okay. See ya. Bye. Oh, sorry. So much meat left. Jesus Christ. Eat. What the focus on me, please. No. Yeah.